Okay, so for this one, you have to do some extra work to find VUS. You can't just do 360 minus 135. It won't work.
Don't you do that one in your T?
Um,
VUTS.
it's okay. You can skip the. Oh no, you're right. No, you can skip the T. You don't have to include it. You could say VTS, and it'd be the same thing as VUS. Okay, so you only need 3 points to describe an angle. Now, if it was UVS, you'd be going the opposite way, right? So that's why they include U or T would be the same angle, VUS or VTS. So, real quick, based on the information they gave us, what would be that vertical angle opposite 135? Okay, good. Let's use a different color there so we don't get confused. Okay, so now that that's 135, what do you think this angle is going to be? It's going to be 180 minus 135, which is 45, which makes the other angle, like we said in the previous example, you have 2 pairs of vertical angles. So if we put all that together to solve for VUS, we would just add 45, 135, and 45. So more or less 135 plus 90, right? And that is 225.
Oh, I got a question. Did you just add 45 and 45 together?
Yep, that came from 45 plus 45. Really?
Yeah.
Well, what was the answer? 225?
Oh, once you solve for 135, yeah. Once you figure out that other angle is 135, then yes, you could subtract that from 360. I didn't see that. See, I'm always looking at things differently.
Just subtract 360 to 135?
Yeah, they're saying that this purple angle right here, 135, once you figured that out from the vertical angle, you could just have done 360 minus that and still would have given you VUS. But like I said, everybody does it differently.